This is our coiled charging cable, practical to use and easy to store, available in charging strength from 3.7 to 22 kilowatts and in 16 or 32 amp versions. It comes standard in 5 meters and uniquely on the market, also available in an 8-meter length, approved and certified for use by all major car manufacturers. The cable is extra flexible thanks to the use of finer copper strands, and its coiled shape keeps it off the ground during use. Our plugs are molded from a single solid piece, making Voldt connectors the most weather-resistant on the market. The contact pins are made from 100% silver-plated copper, ensuring minimal resistance and maximum efficiency. Designed and manufactured in Europe and backed by a standard 3-year warranty. Voldt, European EV charging cables.